Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are facing this error on your media creation tool, you can see the error code as well. In this video, I will show you how to fix this error completely. So first, close this one. Okay. Now one important thing, whenever you are trying to run media creation tool, always right click on it and then click on run as administrator. Always run media creation tool as a administrator. This is the important tip. Now in this video I will show you how to fix this error completely. So the solution is available on Microsoft official website. I will show you the article of Microsoft. As you can see, I will put the link in description box as well. So the main reason of this error is these are the two protocols which are by default disabled in Windows 7. So that's the main reason of this error. Solution is also available in this article. I will show you. So there are two methods to fix this issue. The first method is update your window. So make sure you are using a updated Windows 7. In case you are getting any kind of error while updating your Windows 7, you can use the second method, Windows Update Catalog. So you can also manually download Windows Update from Microsoft official website. I will show you both the method one by one. So let's start with our method 1, Windows Update. So first try to update your Windows 7. So for this, click on your Windows icon, then click on Control Panel. Now in the View By section, change it to small icon, then click on Windows Update, then click on Turn On and check for updates. So this is your method 1, try to update your Windows 7. Now move on to our method 2. If you are unable to update your Windows 7 or you are facing any kind of error while updating your Windows 7, in that case you can manually download Windows Update from Microsoft official website. So what you have to do is click on this URL. So now you can see updates for Windows 7 is also available. So this one is for 64-bit of operating system and the last one is for 32-bit of operating system. So first you have to check which operating system bit you are using. So for this, open your system properties. I will show you my system properties first. So as you can see, my system type is 64-bit. So I will download the update for 64-bit. In case you are using 32-bit of operating system, download and install this one. So the last one is for 32-bit and this one is for 64-bit. So you have to download and install this Windows Update manually. Click on download. Now right click on this URL, then click on save link as, then click on save. The update is downloaded. Now install this update manually. So this is your first step. Update your Windows 7 automatically or manually. It is up to you. Now move on to our step 2, prerequisite. So make sure you are using Service Pack 1 on your Windows 7. First I will show you how to check. Open your system properties. So as you can see in my system properties, I am using Windows 7 Professional and I already have Service Pack 1 in my system. So make sure you have Service Pack 1 in your Windows 7. If you don't have this Service Pack, you can download and install from Microsoft official website. So what you have to do is click on this URL. This is the information about Service Pack 1. Now scroll down and click on this URL, install Windows 7 Service Pack 1. In this article you can see how to install Windows 7 Service Pack 1. Now scroll down and this Service Pack 1 is also available for 32-bit and 64-bit both. So click on this URL. So as you can see, this is available for 64-bit. The first one is for 64-bit and the second one is for 32-bit. So you have to download and install this Service Pack 1 and this is available in Microsoft official website. So what you have to do is to download this service pack, click on download. So there are 2 files available. Download both the files one by one. So right click on the first URL, then click on save link as, then click on save. And the size of first URL is 903 MB, 903 MB. Now right click on the second URL, then click on save link as, then click on save. And the size is 9.2 MB. So download and install both the updates one by one if you don't have Service Pack 1 in your system. Now move on to our next step. In the next step, you have to update your registry. So for this, Microsoft provides a software called EasyFix. So this software will help you to update your registry. So to download this software, click on this URL EasyFix. Now you can see the details about EasyFix, and this software is available in Microsoft. Click on this option, click here to download, and you can see so the download has been done now. So now I will summarize all the steps one by one. So this is the article, and first you have to update your operating system automatically or manually. All the manual updates are also available in this article. So I already updated my Windows 7. Now move on to a next step. Make sure you are using Service Pack 1 on your Windows 7. So I already have Service Pack 1 in my system. If you don't have, you can download and install this Service Pack 1 from Microsoft official website. Now move on to a next step, your third step. You have to update your registry. So for this, Microsoft provides a software called EasyFix. So you have to download and install this EasyFix software. So in my system, I already completed first 2 steps. So I will go for the third step directly. I will install this EasyFix. Run this software EasyFix. Click on I agree, then click on next. That's it. Completed. Now click on close. Now I will try to run the media creation tool again. So this is the tool. Right click on it, then click on run as administrator. Now wait for 15 to 20 seconds. So as you can see, the issue has been resolved. Media creation tool is now running perfectly. So these are the some troubleshooting steps which are already provided in Microsoft website. You can apply all the 3 steps one by one, and it will fix your media creation tool. And I will put all the download links in the description box. This is all for the video. Thank you.